Here's everything you need to know about two-level patio ideas. Creating outdoor zones. Here's what you need to know. Two-level patios divide your backyard into functional zones. Learn layout ideas, costs, 4,000 to 15,000, and how concrete creates durable multi-tier outdoor spaces. Quick answer. Two-level patios cost 4,000 to 15,000 and use an 8 to 18-inch height difference to separate entertaining zones. Concrete's durability and design flexibility make it ideal for creating functional, attractive outdoor spaces that last 30-plus years with minimal maintenance. A two-level patio transforms a flat, featureless backyard into a dynamic outdoor living space with distinct zones for entertaining, dining, and relaxation. By step down from one platform to another, typically 12 inches, you create visual interest, improve site drainage, and organize activities in ways that feel natural and purposeful. Concrete is the material of choice for two-level patios because it's durable, customizable, and capable of holding precise elevation changes without warg or rotting. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We specialize in multi-level concrete patios that divide backyards into distinct zones while maintaining proper drainage and frost durability in North Carolina's seasonal climate. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Whether your lot is sloped or level, whether you want a simple two-tier platform or an elaborate entertaining space with integrated steps and borders, we'll design and pour a patio that lasts 30-plus years. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in multi-level concrete patios that divide backyards into distinct entertaining and relaxation zones, each engineered for proper drainage and frost durability in North Carolina's seasonal climate. Two-level patios typically cost between $4,000 and $15,000 depending on square footage, finish type, and site preparation. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A typical two-level patio project takes 2 to 4 weeks from site excavation through curing. Moving on to why choose a two-level patio. A two-level patio solves several common backyard problems: flat, monotonous landscape, poor water drainage, and lack of visual separation between entertaining and casual use zones. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.